my gosh, she's gonna be so flipping out. Okay. Which one do you want?
Try the blueberry. I like those.
Alright. Found it. You're gonna... I've tried them before. The blueberry's not so bad. It's better than the other ones. But I like the watermelons better. Alright. Just gonna try it.
I took it already.
Okay.
Gimme.
Okay. Dude, it's just like opening candy.
Oh my god, I know that. It's taking candy from an Asia.
Yes, it's taking candy from an Asia. But I don't understand her Asianese.
I don't understand your Asianese. Asian. Nisa. Nisa.
I can't open this.
I can't either.
Mom, do you have scissors? Oh, we're in the car. Do you have any, like, sharp keys?
Never mind.
Never mind, she got it open. You texted me.
Did I?
Oh, did she? She's gonna... It's super sour.
I just tasted it.
She's gonna be, like, flipping out. Super crazy. Come on, just put it in your mouth.
1, 2, 3.
Keep it in your mouth. It's super sour. It's super sour, super sour. You're super red too. At the end it gets really sweet. It's not even sweet yet.
Sweet now.
Does it look like I have